Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options. You just click here on options. You come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on behavior. When you just click on it, you come to next here. Come here to wake up the device here to keep Zello connected. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.